This shirt costs $50.
That price is way too high.
It's made from quality material.
Do you have something cheaper?
We have sales this week.
How much is the discount?
30% off all items.
That's still expensive, but it's better.
It's the best price available here.
Can you reduce it even more?
I'll talk to my manager about it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
The manager says we can do 20% off.
Great. I'll definitely buy it now.
Would you like a bag for that?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.